During our 13-night cruise on Jewel of the Seas, we stayed in cabin number 9077, which if you look at the deck plans puts it in the middle of the ship, right beside the Centrum. And although this gives it easy access to the elevators, being so close to the Centrum there's often music and parties going on until usually about 11 p.m. So as usual, starting off at your front door you have your safety information. Trying to sleep the first night, a lot of light came in through the peephole into my eyes, but I was able to cover it using the magnet that they give you for the Do Not Disturb. To the left of the door you have your hooks and your temperature control. On the other side you have your light switch and your closet. This has full-length hangers with the ladders to the bunk beds if you're not using them. Beside that you have 5 decent-sized shelves to put clothing or whatever you'd like. Then beside that you have another clothes rod with ample hangers to hang all the stuff you need, as well as the life jackets are at the bottom. This also includes another pull-down rod that you can hang some shorter stuff, but you might have to find a place to put the life jackets. To the right of this is your desk, which has some mirrors that has some lights so you can see yourself if you need to get makeup on. The mirror here does open up to reveal some shelves that you can put lots of little things. We often stored our chargers and phone cables here. The bottom has a light switch for the lights on the desk as well as 2 European plugs, and then on the other side has 2 American plugs. And then you have the other mirror that has some more shelves that you can put some more things that you might have in there. The desk itself includes a drawer right above the chair. This is where the packet was that had the menus for ordering breakfast, room service, and whatnot. Then to each side of that you had 3 drawers, which is pretty big and deep, so you could put a lot of clothes and stuff in there. On the right side as well. To the right side of the desk you had another cabinet with more shelves, and this is which included your safe, and then below that was the TV. And then the fridge was underneath of that. It's not really a fridge, it's just to keep cool, but it did do a pretty good job keeping stuff like juice and drinks at a good temperature. From here you have your beds. This is the twin layout that we had set up, but you can also have it set up in a queen configuration, which is the default for when the beds are down. Now opposite of the desk you have your full-length mirror, as well as your love seat. This is not a pull-out bed. Inside your bathroom you have a shower with the shower doors, not a curtain. Obviously your toilet, your towels and hanging rods and whatnot. You have big mirrors and lots of light above your sink to be able to see as you're doing stuff. And on one of the sides of the mirrors it actually opens up to give you 3 shelves of storage. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, do all the YouTube stuff and maybe check out another video.